Absolutely, because I can't dance, so I want to see the dance. That doesn't mean Babu can dance. I'm not. Okay. Give me 1 or 2 drinks, I'll show you what dancing is. Ready? Yes! God bless you, Ali. God protect you, Kiran. And be fearless with the siege. So 1, 2, 3, and start!
Super Bowl, What?
Do not bother crying in the corner. After seeing Kiran. So guys, Miss Kiran, I just...
Come on there. तालियां बच्चों, तालियां.
So guys, as they both have guys, am I right? Yeah. Absolutely right. So now I will be giving you the chance to ask the question from both of them that how they have done the coordination between each other, how they have done, how much hard work they have done. So guys, now it's your time to raise your hand, show energy, and ask the question. Whatever you want to ask the question. From the back also, you can also ask. Now.
About the soul of the song.
Now let me give the chance to Mr. Prince.
Yes.
Prince, girl festival, big round of applause for Mr. Prince. So your question.
Yes, Prince.
So first of all, Mr. Annie and Miss Kiran are very nice to see your dance, Mr. Annie. And I would like to ask one thing that how can you learn dance? Is that much energetic
It's
dance?
a wrong way to start the question. How did you? Can तो आप काफी question करो. Never use can as grammar. Very less. How did you? How were you able to manage? This is the start.
How are you able to manage that kind of energy in your dance? Even I have practiced the dance many a time, but I don't able to match your energy. Tell me your secret, Annie.
Good job.
Thank you, Mr. Prince, for asking me this very adorable question. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This side. May I get my dancing, guys?
Yes.
I was not able to dance. I was not able to choreograph the steps. She is the one.
Oh.
She is the girl who made me to dance on the stage, even though I was not. My plan was here to dance, but she convinced me to dance with her.
So guys, big round of applause for Miss Kiran. Now guys, the second question. As he has mentioned that Miss Kiran has convinced him to dance on the stage.
Good job.
And to blast the stage. And he has done already. But the second question from your side, I think there will be a different question.
Sakshi Gaur.
Now. I will give the chance to Josna. Josna, your question.
Wait. I already gave the chance. Okay. Thank you. We will go louder. Yes, Neelam. Neelam asked a wise question.
Thank you sir for giving me this opportunity. So my question goes to Miss Kiran. So Miss Kiran, why did you choose only Mr. Annie for this dance?
Yes, this is important.
So Miss Kiran, your answer please.
Thank you.
Lavia.
So guys, make sure you grab your attention. Now Miss Kiran, your answer please.
Thank you Miss Neelam for asking this question. That in the last talent hunt we both participated and as a particular song. So I think that he is the only one who can
give the best
who
of
can
the
match the vibe with me
Well-
and give the energy into me for performance. So that's why I choose him. And the upcoming performances I will choose only him.
Only Rani.
Guys, all the boys.
Don't laugh too much. They are just friends.
Yes, sir.
Best friends, Lavia. Yes,
So guys, one more question as mentioned by sir. So
Guys, raise your...
So thank you so much for giving me this golden opportunity. Guys, may I grab your attention?
yes.
So Miss Annie and Mr. Annie and Miss Kiran,
This is the way children grow. Come on.
how many days you learn this dance?
Well,
Thank you Mr. Devve for asking
But
me.
Kiran, please smile on your face and be more energetic and just tell us.
Thank you Mr. Devve for asking me such a beautiful question. Yesterday only we have prepared our dance steps at my home and he came to my home and at that time we both are very tired and we think that we have to let it go, but we already give you
is saying something. Any beta, like to add on?
In addition to this, the third stanza of the song we was preparing just in the last minute of our performance, just 15 minutes earlier. Recently, sir.
Oh.
Very well done, guys. Come on, guys. Not just this, guys. Now, guys, with folded hands and with good respect, we would like to say you may take your seat. Come on,
So Miss Sakshi,
yes, Mr. Praveen.
you know what?
What?
Today everyone is looking so much beautiful.
I also.
Except for you. You know what? I can say that Divya is looking so much beautiful. Divya, may you stand?
Wow.
Is that a reality?
No, sir.
Guys.
Really good. Yes, sir. How about it?
Yes,
It goes
sir.
without saying, my dear.
Yes,
So
sir.
we recommend.
Divya?
Yes.
Foundation. Lipstick. No, by the way, you are looking gorgeous. So now I would like to, I have one shairi. That's very much serious shairi, guys. They will take you to the heart and become very much serious now. गगन से आसमान जुदा हो सकता है क्या? अरशाद बाबा गगन से आसमान जुदा हो सकता है क्या? एल्विश भाई के आगे कोई कुछ बोल सकता है?
In one voice, the dialogue of Elvish Yadav says stuff. Guys, in one voice. 1, 2, 3, everybody. So guys, now guys, as we all know, we have seen the dance beside the shore.
From there, focus.
Now, we have seen the dance. Now, do you want to listen the song?
Yes.
Do you want to listen the song?
Yes.
And there is one singer, Mr. Praveen.
Who's there?
Please welcome, Miss Anupma on the
Are we excited?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Start, please.
Thank you, sir, for giving me this chance. And I know my voice
beta, nobody will be frustrated. All of us are ingrained, intrigued, and curious. Don't think like that. Guys, we will not endure, we will enjoy. हम बर्दाश्त नहीं कर रहे, हम enjoy कर रहे हैं. One, two, three, and start, बेटा. बहुत बढ़िया गाना. वही.
गोपालनहारे निर्गुण और न्यारे, गोपालनहारे निर्गुण और न्यारे, तुमरे बिन हमरा कौन नहीं, तुमरे बिन हमरा कौन नहीं, हमरी उलझन सुलझाओ भगवन, हमरी उलझन सुलझाओ भगवन, तुमरे बिन हमरा कौन नहीं, तुमरे बिन हमरा कौन
Very nice.
नहीं, तुम्ही हमको वो संभाले, तुम्ही हमको वो संभाले, तुम्ही हमरे वो रखवाले, तुमरे बिन हमरा कौन नहीं, तुमरे बिन हमरा कौन नहीं, चंदा में तुम्ही तो दिए हो चांदनी, सूरज में उजाला तुम्ही से, ये गगन है मगन, तुम्ही तो दिए हो इस तारे, भगवन ये जीवन, तुम्ही ना सवारोगे तो क्या कोई सवारे, गोपालनहारे निर्गुण और न्यारे, तुमरे बिन हमरा कौन नहीं,
Very peaceful song.
तेरे बिन हमरा कौन नहीं. निर्गुण और न्यारे, Guys, have you enjoyed her song? Have you enjoyed her song? Out of 100, what marks we will be giving? 100 out of 100. Round of applause. Now guys, the question round starts now. Let me energy, Mr. Shamveer.
Yes.
Your question and big round of applause for Shamveer, guys.
So first of all, I would like to appreciate your singing, like what you have sing. So, and my question for you is like, nowadays people are not interested in these type of songs.
Certainly.
People are interested in Bollywood song or maybe K-pop
Biल्कुल ठीक है.
song. So why you still choose and love
Beautiful.
to sing?
बहुत बढ़िया. The youth is getting distracted. This is what he's trying to do.
Thank you, Mr. Sambir, for asking me this beautiful question. So my answer goes like that. Whenever I listen this song, I get very peaceful and very calm. And yes, I am also.
I also listen.
Yes, I also listen whenever I get frustrated with anyone or anything. Yeah.
Well, everyone.
so much for sir for giving me this opportunity.
Thank you very much.
Anupama, I love your song choose.
The lyrics are so melodious.
Yes, sir.
सुनने में भी बड़ा एक आनंद आता है.
So my question, I would like to ask you one question to you. What you learn about this song?
Thank you, Mr. Dhananjay, for asking me this beautiful question.
Are we excited?
Yes.
Ranjit is asking what you have learned, what you inculcated, and what you can preach to the class, preach to the world, preach to the society, who's far away, as Shabir stated, from these kinds of songs. दुनिया अलग नशे में है बेटा. Let it talk to you.
Sir, Mr. Dhananjay, sorry, sir.
The society.
Yes, sir, I learned with this song that whenever we
Yes.
do anything before
Whenever we lose the trust,
Yes,
lose
sir.
the faith, whenever we are broken up in the world,
Yes,
in the
sir.
life,
Yes, sir. Whenever we are broken up with the life, we are
We should. we should.
Get peace and get calm.
तो आपने अपने जीवन में कैसे पीस उतारा? How you have brought peace in your life and quality? By, this is what he's asking. By, well done. Or,
So then everybody, why? Your energy is so low. Big round of applause, come on.
automatically.
Yes, sir.
आप लोग अपने को आपको देखो. Come on, attack, guys, come on. इसकी बारी है. क्या सुनना पसंद करेंगे आप? What?
So guys, as we all have seen dance, right?
Yes.
Then singing.
Yes.
Now, do you want to listen that shairi? Do you want to listen that shairi? There is one shairi master, guys. Do you want to listen the name of him? So without wasting any time, please welcome Mr. Nawaz Sharif.
First time I've seen you dance.
Yes, sir.
Done.
So guys, now Mr. Nawanshu is ready. Our audience is ready to listen the shairi, and sir is also ready. But let's just 1, 2, 3, we will be starting.
Done, everybody. 1, 2, 3. Go ahead. Attack. God bless you. Start.
Thank you, sir, for giving this wonderful chance, and thank you for everyone for listening me my शायरी. आज शायरी अगर तुम मिली ना होती, इसका अनुमान है अगर तुम मिले ना होती, मेरी जिंदगी में कमी खली ना होती, अगर जिंदगी और हंसी होती अगर तुम मिली ना होती, ये रोज रोज उससे सवाल ना होते, यह रोज रोज उससे सवाल ना होते मेरे, यह हरी भरी मेरी जिंदगी में किसी की कमी खली ना होती अगर तुम मिली ना होती.
Carry on.
वही आवारा मन मन चला लड़का होते हम, वही आवारा मन चले लड़के होते हम, दुनिया से दूर भागकर थक कर माँ की गोद में चैन से सोते हम। किसी चीज की परवाह ना होती, नशों की लत लगी ना होती, उजालों से डरता नहीं दिल मेरा, भीड़ को देखकर दिल में बेचैनी मची ना होती। सब सवाल एक तरफ 22 की उम्र से पहले चेहरे पे बर्फ उगी नहीं होती। हम भी अगर औरों की तरह दिल से हंसते, अगर तुम मिली ना होती।
After listening this, I don't know you will be getting any girl or not, but after listening this, anybody can get. So now the question round.
Rashi, how many breakups you had in life? He's deeply infected. Infected and affected.
Yes, sir.
They put up with.
Yes, sir.
Nothing to worry. Come to me, approach me, or do anything. Infectious the girls are. हर बात शायद ठीक भी नहीं होती।
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now, guys, the question round starts now. And smaller one, you can also raise your hands, right? Now, guys, let me give the chance to.
Let me. Kanika, first question.
Yes, sir. A very energetic good evening to one and all present over here. This side, Kanika. Thank you so much, sir, for giving me the chance. So, Mr. Navanshu, it was great listening to you. Your cherry was very good. So, I wanted to ask that these are your own words and you have copied them.
Nice, good question.
Thank you for Miss Kanika और
थैंक यू मिस कनिका फॉर बाद में लगेगा करेक्ट भी करना जरूरी है थैंक यू मिस कनिका
Thank you Miss Kanika
अब for me.
for asking me a beautiful question. This शायरी are present for my best friend and my brother because he is for someone love and he is every day talking with us and now he is not talking with us because he is a Mr. Perfect person. I think
he used to be लेकिन अब गड़बड़ हो गई है
but now he is a
आइसोलेटेड फेलो मतलब अकेला हो गया है
yes sir.
लोनली फेलो
Yes sir.
does he lock up himself in the room
No sir. He
मतलब बात नहीं करता jokes very less
Yes sir.
why does it happen
Because he is someone love for one side.
he's against one-sided
Yes, yes.
that's the problem well done
My name is Kanika.
The second question will be asked by Kanika. She is sister of Kajal. Great job. Kanika, your question.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Kanika. My question is why you choose Shiny? You can also choose the answer.
You could have chosen.
Because
You could have chosen. अब उधर में गाना करने के लिए नहीं करूँगा क्योंकि she is not my student. But you could have chosen शायरी और sorry dance or singing. शायरी क्यों?
thank you for this asking my beautiful question because every time not express dance and
सही बात है.
any songs. Some words are important in our life.
वाह.
Words are
Play a pivotal role.
play a pivotal role and express feelings.
Wow.
Express emotions.
Express the heart out.
Express the heart out.
दिल बाहर कर देता है शब्द हमारा.
Yes,
sir. But in comparison to dance, you think Shairi is much more better than dance?
Yes, sir. Because
In dance there is aggression.
Yes.
In dance there is aggression.
Yes, sir.
People can speak volumes with their faces. तो शायरी कैसे better हुई last 20 seconds?
Because sir, Shairi is a dance express everyone.
Yes.
But Shairi is a express a
Poetry expresses
express a feeling to another one, and another person feel a word and not
not the emotion.
not the emotion and
चलो पढ़ ले बेटा. He's too excited.
Yes, sir.
Maybe in white.
So guys, maybe invite Mr. Prabjot on the So guys, everybody, are you all ready? Yes. Only back, are you all ready? Yes. Now guys, with such permission, we will be starting the dance of Love Joke.
Same as Navjot, not Prabjot. Navjot and Prabnu, brother sister. Are we excited? Yes. How much?
Very much.
Mr. Thakur, are you?
Yes, sir.
For what? Shabash. 1, 2, 3, and here you go. Start. Attack.
Oh
join the dance. Now start for Koshika. Now let me give the chance to Sana. Sana, your question?
Yes. Guys, everyone, may I have your attention?
Yes.
So nice to see you, Mr. Navjot. I am seriously fan of yours. So my question goes like, there is so many boys who don't dance. So here I want some suggestion from your side. Which suggestion you would like to give to all boys who feel shy on the stage for dancing? Yeah.
Thank you, Mr. Sana, for asking me this wonderful question. And I would like to advise those people who don't dance on the stage, they should come on the stage forward so they can overcome their shyness and they can be a better performer. And I would like to say that a dance is an art, and it can be only done by some of the people.
Well, some of the people, and you are one of them, and we all have seen the good people. So guys, big round of applause, come on!
So before starting, you know, that man who was singing the shairi, who was taking the shairi, has taught me many things. The importance of words. So now, Miss Divya, I want to say 3 magical words to you. Remove your foundation. And I think that man from Jodh has taken the, I can say what, Bhangra dose. From where? I just want to see the dhabba. Here, where?
Great job, fantastic.
As you know, everybody is showing his or her talent. So now I would like to show my talent. You know, I can draw, I can just paint. And you know, I have made a beautiful drawing of Miss Neelam. Miss Neelam, may you stand? 3, 2, 1. I have taken 3 days to prepare it.
Guys.
Have a good job, Neelam. Beta, just don't take it as a pinch of salt. Be patient. Well done, great job. Now invite the real art and the real talent.
Yes.
So guys, there is one small boy who can make anybody face. Who can make anybody face. वो आपका चेहरे का चित्र बना सकता है. Do you want to listen the name of him?
Yes!
Do you want to listen the name of him?
Yes!
So please welcome none of them, Mr. Muntazir.
Everyone,
He's the artist, you will show him the art. The only creator.
Yes, sir.
One of the best cricket.
Okay, that's it.
And it is made on 15 August. And I would like to take you on the another sketch. So guys, see this.
I think it's one of those pics when I was sitting in the cabin. On the table with the students who won the competition. A beautiful picture. Yeah, this is the way I was sitting. Yes, yes. A large space. Spectacular. Wonderful. Good observation. Thank you, my dear.
Guys, get the signature of sir. Guys, come on.
Now this is what we call the art.
Yes, sir. So guys, now so guys, as you all have seen that what I have made, and you all know who is he.
Yes.
Guys, who is he?
Virat.
So guys, how are my adverts? Amazing! Mind blowing, fantastic! Come on, guys! Now, guys, as he has made a brilliant pictures, now it's your time to ask the question. And those who don't know how to make the drawing, kindly take advice from it. So let me give the chance to.
Kashia, the question will be asked by Divya.
Thank you, sir, for giving me this chance. A very good evening to each and everyone. May I have your attention, everyone?
Yes!
So, Muntazir, it was a great drawing. I have never really seen a drawing like you have made here.
Too close.
Yeah, it was very good. And especially, I would like to ask you very there are two questions that I'm going to ask you, but I'll be ending on one. That is the
Prediction. What is going on? Now everything is okay?
Yes,
Is
sir.
everything okay?
Yes, sir.
Have you proceed?
Everything. No,
No. Shall we proceed?
no, sir. Yes, sir, sir. Sorry, sir.
yes, sir. Guys, may I have your attention? Yes. So I would like to ask you one question. That on behalf of your first painting, that how you will be bringing awareness amongst the people. Like you have, as you have shown and drew in your picture that we should be saving the planet. So how you will be bringing the awareness amongst everybody?
Individually, what is your responsibility will be? This is what the question is. Get the contribution. What is it?
Guys, may I have your attention? Yes. May I steal your 2 minutes? Yes. Basically, guys, this painting is on the Save the Planet, and I would be saving my planet by throwing the wrappers on the dustbin and planting the trees.
Well done.
More and more I can do,
Deforestation.
and also I will inspire other people to do this.
Nice.
Yes, sir.
By bringing awareness.
Yes, sir.
By educating.
Yes, sir, by educating all the people, if I am showing you all the painting, then you have to go to your home and show, tell your parents
Yes.
about it.
Yes. Well done. Great job. See everything, but yes, sir. After the class, that is everything stored very easily. Body and where's the pen drive and everything? Sorry. Ready, guys?
So guys, as you all have enjoyed the drawing. Now, do you want the enjoyment? Or do you want to see the dance? So, without
Sakshi.
yes.
I want the dance only from the beautiful girl.
Only beautiful girls.
Yes.
I am also beautiful.
Guys, everyone.
Be focused. Now.
And someone was saying that greenery. Muntazir. So just go to New Ganga Road at night. Everywhere is greenery. Only boys can understand.
Guys. Asnata. So guys, without wasting any time, please welcome.
India has won the match. Okay, Manda. India has never lost against Pakistan. Complimenting to the painting which he made Virat Kohli's. हाँ, this भी आ रहा है, ये शोर जायज़ है। अरे देखो। India, Pakistan.
So guys, now we have the attention. Guys, the happiness is coming. So now guys, do you want to see the dance? Please welcome. There is one suspense where you will be seeing one person. You will be shocked at how that person can dance. How guys? How? You will be shocked and your mouth will be.
One, two, three, and here you go. Start.
So guys, everybody, are you all ready?
ये पटाखे तो रात भर चलेंगे। One, two, three, and here you go. The most subtle, the most melodious, the most ringing, the most thematic performance ever for the first time by my dear Nakara. One, two, three, start. Guys.
Come on, guys.
Pratigya, whenever these things happen, take the charge, take the control. You loosen up yourself. You should be controlling the crowd.
Yes, sir.
Don't put the entire burden on us. What you are the coordinator, Vishal? Your coordination has to be very good. This went wrong. Are we ready?
Yes.
So 1, 2, 3, start.
तुमसे ही दिल
kindly use the recording with greater responsibility.
Yes, sir.
Those who are not the part of my culture, our culture, like, it's okay, it's okay. बता देना. Use it with great responsibility.
Yes, sir.
She would understand because Kagal is having the hand on it. तो वो बोलेगा. बाकी मेरे बच्चे अच्छे से use करेंगे.
Yes, sir.
पूरा भरोसा है.
Yes, sir.
हाँ बेटा, well done.
Guys.
Sakshi, they were blushing. One minute there, 1 minute there.
Yes, sir. So guys. First of all, have you enjoyed the Atasham dance? Yes. How much?
A lot.
How much? Yes. Performance? Yes. Very beautiful? Yes. Mind-blowing, fantastic, marvelous, magical. Now, with sir permission, we will be taking one question from audience side.
I'm not ready. Your first and the last question. Are you ready to ask the question? Are you and your friend? Okay.
Sir.
Prince, I know that you will ask. Please, I want a kid to ask a question, man. Are you truly responsible for asking a question? Do you think that you would be asking a Bible question?
Yes, sir.
All right. Start.
Thank you, sir, for giving me golden opportunity and my husband. Guys, may I grab your attention?
Yes.
Let's go like this, guys. May I grab your attention?
Yes.
When my question goes to Miss Mr. Edison and Miss
Julie.
Julie. Why are you?
आना यहाँ पे मुश्किल है बेटा.
Yes, sir.
Why are you two kissing?
Come on, guys. Silence.
Yes, बेटा. साक्षी दीदी corrected you. Now, ऐसा गाना, ये वाला गाना क्यों?
Why did you choose this dance?
This one. Very good.
So, guys, may I grab your attention?
Yes.
So, thank you so much for watching my dance. I really enjoyed it. Hope you also enjoyed it.
A lot.
So, why we chose this song only? Actually, we were not having any plan of choosing this song. We choose different song. But at last, we chose this song because it was really slow that I could dance, and it was really giving us the vibe that yes, it is really good for our dance and it will make the class really peaceful. That's why we chose this song.
You all both will take your seats.
Good job, beta.
Now guys, as I am literally very tired, are you able to see that? Yes. And Praveen also tired?
Very much.
Very much. So now guys, we would like to change the angle. Do you want to see that? Yes. So without wasting any time, please welcome Mr. Anshul and Mr. Krish on the
कौन सी शादी के लिए? I should take the charge and take over.
So good evening to all of you here this side. Not like this. Who is? With my co-partner, Mr.
Guys, for me, everyone. I'm sure you want very fast now.
Yes, sir. So, Mr. Krish. Yes. We have seen a lot of things. Yes. So, I would like to see the new thing.
Yes, Kohli.
Whom should I be calling?
First, I want to say you that my ears is saying that they want to listen one shairi.
Oh, do you want to listen the Sayari of Miss? Who? Divya?
Bro, why are you joking?
Oh my God. So, let me call.
First, listen my shairi.
Okay.
I am also biggest shayar.
Okay. The great.
Guys, ख्वाबों में जीता रहता हूँ,
अच्छा।
हकीकत अपने हाथ में रखता हूँ। ख्वाबों में जीता रहता हूँ, हकीकत अपने हाथ में रखता हूँ। जितने बुरे तुम अब हो ना, उतने बुरे मैं इतिहास रखता हूँ।
Now call.
Yes, go.
I don't like the Sayari, but I want to listen the Sayari. So, let's call Mr. Nikhil on the stage.
Guys,
cool it a bit and get serious. Nikhil, attack.
So may I inculcate you all?
Yes.
This is Nikhil Patel and today I am present a small and beautiful sari in front of you all. So may I start?
Yes.
Pardon, Nikhil, absolutely beta.
Yes.
Namaste beta, God bless you.
जब पौधे में पानी डालना ही नहीं था, जब पौधे में पानी डालना ही नहीं था, उसे घर ही क्यों लाए?
Guys, you believe in yourself. इनको मैं ठीक कर दूँ, आप करो।
Guys, he is coming for the first time and we have to motivate. To understand this thing, instead of laughing, kindly listen it very carefully, please.
जब पौधे में पानी डालना ही नहीं था, जब पौधे में पानी डालना ही नहीं था, उसे घर ही क्यों लाए? जब पौधे में पानी डालना ही माना कि तू है चांद सी, मगर रात में तो चेहरा दिखाएगा।
I liked your Shairi, Mr. Nikhil.
yes, very much.
Yes. But Mr. Krish,
Yeah.
I have a question. And they are also having one question.
Yes, ask.
So let's call them. So Miss Anupama, do you like to ask a question?
Yes.
Anshu, wait. Selection is the best. Selection is the best thing what you can do, but for that you need experience. Wait, hold on. Sakshi, no.
Thank you, sir, for giving me this marvelous chance here this side, Sakshi. So my question goes like, why all boys choose this romantic shayari?
Bilkul. Absolutely.
A nice question from your side, and according to me,
Where they display that their hearts are broken. हमेशा दिल तोड़ने वाली शायरी.
Yes,
sir, because it is come from the heart, not from the mind. And sir, according to me, all science are made this thing only in night.
Why not? Because they become
they all are take overthinking every day.
Tanish, focus.
Because they all are
Become deep thinkers. Become overthinking.
overthinking in the night, and it comes from only the heart,
Beautiful.
not by the mind.
Beautiful. Anshul and Krish.
Yes.
Who's next?
The next one is the little kiddo.
yes, very little kiddo.
Yes, who sings a song.
Very romantic song.
Wow, I want to listen that song. So let's call that.
Let's call Miss Radha on the stage.
Yes.
Sing your song.
But, with sir 1, 2, 3.
Okay, are you ready?
Yes,
So
sir.
1, 2, 3, Radha. Start.
मधुबन में चढ़लिया किसी को किसी
ये गाना.
कभी मुस्काए कभी छेड़े कभी बात करे कभी सीना चले कभी सीना चले अब तक मन में लगे रख के सीना चले रख के सीना चले मधुबन में भले राधा किसी को भी मिले पर मैं तो राधा के ही प्रेम के ही फूल खिले इसलिए राधा चले 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 ओ गोपिया गोपिया तारे हैं चांद है गोपिया राम
गोपी के तारे हैं चांद पे गुलशन.
Guys, wait.
Guys, everyone.
But it's okay, it happens.
Yes, sir.
गोपिया आनी जानी है राधा तो मन की रानी है गोपिया आनी जानी है राधा तो मन की रानी है सांझ सवेरे यमुना किनारे राधा राधा ही गाना पुकारे बाहों के हार जो डाले कोई कान्हा के गले राधा कैसे न चले राधा कैसे न चले अब तक मन में लगे राधा कैसे न चले राधा कैसे न चले कान्हा के ये जो नैना कान्हा के ये जो नैना गोपियों की छीन चना कान्हा के ये जो नैना गोपियों की छीन चना मिली नजरिया हुई बावरिया गोरी गोरी सी हुई गुजरिया कान्हा का प्यार किसी गोपी के मन में छुपा
So guys, have you enjoyed the performance?
Yes.
Have you liked the song?
Yes.
Now let's call another person on the stage. So Mr. Krish,
Yes.
whom you would like to call?
First, I also want to do dance.
Wow, you want to do a dance?
Yes.
What kind of dance you want to do?
Every hip hop.
Wow! So now, let's call for a dance.
Guys, let's call Miss Pariksha on the stage.
Talent and May is asking you to dance. Somebody call in the dance program. Okay. Pariksha, ready, beta?
Yes, sir.
1, 2, 3, and. Ankush, come on.
So guys, everybody, are you all energetic? Both the hands, are you all energetic? Both the back, are you all energetic? Now, Miss Pariksha, are you ready?
Yes.
Now, Miss
1, 2, 3, and start, beta. Pariksha will be coming on the stage and she will be answering the question asked by you guys. So guys, select them. Raise your hands. I want. Raise your hands, guys. So Mister, who would like to ask a question?
Mr. Dhananjay.
Yes, but no, I don't want him to be just giving a chance. Okay, hang on, I would. We have next time. Sorry. Suraj, your question?
So, thank you for the
Come on, loud.
Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity. So may I ask you, Mr. Pariksha, why are you choosing this song and how to manage and how to perform?
Simple, self-explanatory. Why did you choose this song and how did you manage it? How much efforts did you put in? And you know what you did with it?
Thank you, Miss Suraj, for asking me this. Mr. Suraj, for asking me this question. So my answer goes like, I choose this song because I love this song. This is one of my favorite songs
Beautiful.
forever, and this song is so melodious.
Absolutely, yes, it is.
This song is so melodious, and I love the classical.
That's the best song.
Yes. Sir, I love the classical dance. That's why I choose this song.
Choose the song. Great job. Thank you. Take the charge.
Yes, sir.
Now I have to take the charge because we have to speed up.
Yes, sir. Guys, may we call our next participant?
Yes!
She will perform like oh, sorry guys, sorry. She will. Yes.
It's okay. What?
Sir, may we call Mr.
So, Mr. Krish, let us call for a poetry, Mr. Abhinav on the stage.
Yes, sir.
बेटा बेटा क्या है आपके पेपर में?
Opportunity है इस side of it. जैसा my poetry was like,
शाबाश।
हमेशा सब कुछ एक जैसा नहीं होता, कभी बातें खत्म नहीं होती, कभी बातें खत्म हो जाती है, कभी भीड़ सन्नाटे में बदल जाती है, कभी लोग चले जाते हैं, कभी शोर को सन्नाटा घेर लेता है, वक्त चलता रहता है, हर वक्त बदलता रहता है, एक दिन सब बदल जाता है, जो बचती है वो सब यादें होती है।
Only one question from this kid.
Yes, sir.
Go on.
So, guys, raise your hands.
Yashika man. Go on Yashika. Your question for Abhinav.
May I grab your attention, everybody? Thank you, sir, for giving me this chance. Here this side, Yashika. So my question goes like this: why did you choose this poetry, and who inspired you?
Yes, this is important. पहले वाला तो repetitive हो गया. Yes. Second, who inspired you? लिखना किससे सिखाया? किससे हटा? You know, from where did you learn? शाबाश। किससे सीखा बेटा? Sister. So I learned from my sister. She is my inspiration. 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 I love her madly. She loves me badly.
सर SD कार्ड का
Break in 10 minutes, only 5 minutes. You will be having to go outside.
Yes,
Because
sir.
the clock is laughing at us.
Yes.
So, sir. You can't dance. You can't dance, but Julian and Tusham can dance.
Very good.
But I also want to see the another person to be dancing on the stage. So give them a perform. Give them
Were
a
you
chance.
there when I said that give me a class of cricket and I'll show you?
You have to dance.
Thanks, everybody.
Sir, but you have also said that Papu can't dance, Sala. So let us invite Sakshi and Diksha on the stage for a dance.
मेरे जैसा मिले कर भी कच्चे
So, Diksha and Sakshi. Are we ready, Anshu?
Yes, sir.
This was just the trailer. Let's see the entire film. What is the
Yes,
song? Ready, Diksha, Sakshi, guys? Students, are we ready?
Yeah.
So 1, 2, 3, and So are we excited?
Yes, sir.
Well, then ask me how your question.
Thank you.
Beautiful girls.
Thank you so much, sir, for giving me this chance, guys. May I grab your attention? Yes. So it was very lovely dance by both by you guys. So I was just really want to ask one thing, that who taught you these steps on this song?
Thank you, Miss Neha, for asking me this wonderful question. So, just we have make our own steps and we have just to dance by making
Not from the YouTube, not from the television.
Sir.
You learn by yourself.
Yes, sir.
You practice a lot of hard. You practice hard. मेहनत नहीं करे ज़्यादा. It came naturally.
But before the break, I would like to listen a shairi. But before that, I would like to also say the shairi. So,
Ishad.
yes. Ishad. Yes.
Guys, everybody.
This shairi belongs to the sir. This shairi belongs to the sir. Guys, listen to me carefully. चम्मच में जीना मेरे सारे लाखों में जीना. Have you enjoyed the shari?
Some people drink, some people do. Well done.
Yes.
Before Anshul, the break beta.
Yes, sir.
The clock is laughing at us.
Yes, sir.
Not gazing at us. अभी हंस रहा है. हमें बहुत कवर कर रहे हैं.
Have you laughed on my shari?
Yes.
No?
Yes.
Have you laughed on my shari?
Yes.
So let us call another one for the shari. Who is he? He is Deepak Shah. My era.
But of course, things do get converted into remixes and then you
Yes, sir.
Awwa. 1984. Fantastic, Deepak. Come on, brother.
Guys,
Guys, focus.
focus over here.
First of all, thank you so much, sir, for giving me golden opportunity. So, okay, may I get your attention? Yeah. This side, Deepak. It's my first time on stage. You know as I am. So this. कि हर कहानी एक जैसी नहीं होती.
Guys, only 2 times say.
Don't go over the board.
Yes.
I'm ignoring most of the things. Please go ahead.
कि हर कहानी एक जैसी नहीं होती. हर कहानी एक जैसी नहीं होती. हर रात चमचमाती नहीं होती. और यूं तेरा हर रात को याद आना कोई इत्तेफाक तो नहीं. और यूं तेरा हर रात को याद आना कोई इत्तेफाक तो नहीं. ना जाने कितने चाहते होंगे इस दुनिया में लोग तुझे, मगर मेरे जैसा शख्स ना मिला होता तुझे तो यूं आज खुशहाल ना होती. कि हर जख्म मिटाए नहीं जा सकते, हर जख्म मिटाए नहीं जा सकते, हर गम भुलाए नहीं जा सकते. चाहते तो हम भी सवार लेते अपनी जिंदगी, चाहते तो हम भी सवार लेते अपनी जिंदगी, अगर यूं ही जिंदगी तेरे नाम गवाही ना होती.
Because you have enjoyed me and Mr. Chris.
Yes, guys.
So let's call another uncle, Mr.
we excited?
Yes,
Shall we start again?
Yes, sir.
Shall we start again?
Yes,
sir. Do not take anybody's approval except for yourself. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Shall we start again?
So guys, now we call Dakshi and Mahi for the dance.
Krishna, fast. Jaldi, Rahul. I have to cover some new entrants. Ready, guys?
Yes,
Dakshi and Mahi, are we ready?
Yes,
Come on the stage. Stop.
The perfect gift for your loved ones.
दिखाने जाएगी वो शुमाने वाली शौक नजर के जो बीच लड़ाने जाएगी बीच बाजार जब हुस्न दिखाने जाएगी वो शुमाने वाली शौक नजर के जो बीच लड़ाने जाएगी
You're enjoying your performance. Don't you worry about it. You have to draw because drawing is your passion.
Yes, sir. I'm not professional artist. I draw with my whole heart and
And that is Lord Krishna?
yes, sir.
Well done.
I picked the picture from the serial Radha Krishna character role by Sumer Mudgalkar.
Yes, yes, yes,
Yes, sir. To draw, I never draw basic shapes. I just pick outline of the pictures.
Beautiful! Take the charge, lead the hype, interact with the audience.
So guys, you want to see dance?
Guys, not like this. Do you want to see a dance?
Yeah!
Okay, do you want to see a dance? Are you all excited for the dance? As guys, you know, girls are the very best dancers. But in our cafe, there are small kids also, those who can dance. Mr. Varun, who is the next candidate?
We are called one cutie pie girl, Miss Pidi on the stage.
Thank you, Sakshi. She was the last on the list. But since she's never been called on the stage, so I called her. Now she's got the chance, but she's never been called. So Willie, come on! Show your challenge. Are we ready?
Yes, sir.
Ghabarana nahi?
Yes, sir.
Attack!
Mixing in the house.
Yes, sir. Aryan, better your question for Miss Vidhi. What do you think? How was it? Was it blasting?
Yes, sir.
Yes, attack it.
So guys, may I grab your attention, please?
Yes!
So guys, here this is Aryan. I would like to ask a question from Miss Vidhi. Like my question goes like that. Your dance was very much adorable and it was very much fantastic. But I want to ask this thing that like you did it alone. Like did it took a lot of practice because you are a kiddo only and it must be taking a lot of practice and you are alone. Guys, now focus.
Carry on, better carry on. There are other things also which I have to do. खाली ये नहीं है, बहुत सारी चीजें हैं. Parents are waiting there.
Thank you, Miss Mr. Aryan, for giving me a beautiful question. And my answer goes like, I am so hard work for dance.
I work very hard.
I am work very hard for this.
I'm not because working living. I work very hard.
I work very hard because my dance and I am my Dakshi, Miss Dakshi select this song.
You trust her? You trust her?
Yes, sir.
Why do you trust her?
Because sir, this two song is my favorite song.
Why do you trust your sister?
Because sister,
Because my sister Dakshi.
My sister Dakshi support me and this is so cute.
So guys, have you enjoyed the last performance? Yes! So guys, now we are gonna call someone who...
I'll be ending the class at half time today.
Yes.
Yeah. Parents wait करेंगे करेंगे.
Yes, so guys, we have done everything. There is one thing left. Do you know what is that?
What?
Let me tell you, that is poetry, and we are inviting a new entrant, Mr. Dinesh, on the stage for the poetry. So guys,
कुछ भी करता हो, किसी भी प्रोफेशन का हो, डर खोल रहा अपना. This is what is expected.
Yes. Yes, sir.
That's important.
Yes, sir.
कि आप दो पल के लिए भूल जाओ who you are.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Poetry.
guys,
Thank you, sir. Give me beautiful chance. I am going to start my civic poetry. तुम मुलायम बीज, मैं खरबदा खाद्य. तुम मुलायम बीज, मैं खरबदा खाद्य. तुम लहराती हुई फसले, मैं कलकला बहता पानी. तुम महंगा प्याज, मैं कंगाल किसान. तुम आंसू का छिलका, मैं प्यार का मरीज. तुम मंदी किसान, मैं प्याज का पुजारी. तुम बेवजह चाह, मैं इश्क का मुसाफिर.
Simple words. कि क्या बताना चाह रहे थे? थोड़ा and then Abdullah will ask you.
In the poetry, talking to farmer. Kisan is very poor.
The farmer is very poor. The farmer is very poor.
The farmer is very poor.
Wait, hang on.
The farmer is very poor.
He's become hopeless. Hopeless हो गया मतलब उम्मीद खो चुका है.
Yes sir.
Okay.
He is hopeless. And there is family very
miserable. Miserable. The conditions of the family very.
The condition is very bad.
Okay, well done. Now, Varun, only 5 minutes are left. Officially, technically, logically, rationally.
Yes, sir.
And let me tell you, only 2 participants can come on the stage. So, up aega. Yeah.
Yes, sir. So, guys. Now, you want to see boys dance?
Guys, don't like this. Do you want to see the boys dance? You are excited? And guys, we are calling the kiddos. So do you want to know the names?
I called you for the practice yesterday, but we're talking to you in the cabin. And you, where you were, I know that.
So guys, let's invite Nirbhay and Mayank on the stage for
song number. Are we ready? Wait, stop! Guys,
everybody.
Are we ready?
Yes, sir.
Sorry, on behalf of my elder students, I'd like to say sorry.
It's okay, sir.
1, 2, 3, and start!
मैं तेरी आँखों में उदासी कभी देख सकता नहीं, तुझे खुश मैं रखूँगा सोनिया। मैं तेरी आँखों में खामोश कभी देख सकता नहीं, सारी बातें मैं सुनूँगा सोनिया।
लेकिन X फैक्टर तो यहाँ लग रहा है। Come on, Prakash, sir.
So guys, have you loved their dance? Very much? So I would like to ask from Mr. Nirbhay. So Mr. Nirbhay, why you have just done the dance moves like Michael Jackson? I was able to see you were trying to copy the Michael Jackson. Is he your favorite?
No, it is not my favorite, but I try this.
So means you love to try his tricks?
Yes.
Okay, so now I would like to ask from Mayank. Mayank, what were you doing?
your support in this course. Wonderful.
So guys, may I have your attention, everyone? So guys, now we are having one more performance. So guys, we are having the Shairi. So do you want to listen to Shairi? So for Shairi, let's invite Mr. Yazan and Mr. Divyansh.
Yes, brother. My dear. Well done. Yazan and Divyanshu.
Yes, sir. Guys, are you connected? So, very wonderful good evening to each and everyone, one and all present over here. Here myself, Yazan, with my co-partner, Mr. Divyanshu. And guys, we are here for few of the shairi for you all. And it is about friendship. So, my first shairi goes like, एक दो नहीं सब जलते हैं, एक दो नहीं सब जलते हैं, जब मेरे यार मेरे साथ चलते हैं. Wait. Now it's my turn. My शायरी goes like, हर किसी पर दिल नहीं आता है, हमारी फीलिंग इतनी बेकार नहीं. हर किसी पर दिल आ जाए, हमारी फीलिंग इतनी बेकार नहीं. हमें अकेला रहना मंजूर है, पर याद बदलने वाले यार नहीं. Guys, my next शायरी goes like, एक आवाज पर देख लेना सारे तैयार मिलेंगे. एक आवाज पर देख लेना सारे तैयार मिलेंगे. मेरे पास पैसा कम ज्यादा यार मिलेंगे.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.